Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that LRC has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, another falling wedge pattern by the way, because on a 7 days time frame chart, this is the second falling wedge pattern. You can see that it has broken out on this 7 days time frame chart, and after the breakout, the price line also broke out a very massive resistance of Ichimoku, bearish cloud as well, and now it is retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. At the same time, you can see that stochastic has again entered the oversold zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, you can see I shared this signal a few days ago on 23rd of May 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Within few movements, you will be able to watch this move, how the price line moved from the buying zone, and you can see that this was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LRC. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. Previously, I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern. And in the month of January 2023, we broke it out, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 50 cents. We got rejection. And at the same time, we also found a quite long-term downtrend line resistance of another falling wedge pattern as well. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, the price line finally broke it out. And at the same time, the price line also formed a very, very huge double bottom pattern at this quite long-term support of 17.5 cents as well. And after that, the price line broke out this wedge. And now recently, you can see that after the breakout, the price line is once again rejected by this long-term resistance of 50 cents and broke down the next support of 30 cents and bounced very well again from this long-term support of 21 cents that was previously working as support here and resistance here, support here, and support here as well. And again, it is breaking as a very nice support. Right now, it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 30 cents. And at the same time, it is also retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. You can see that the price line after the breakout got rejected by this 50 cents resistance and moved down. And here you can see that it tested the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And now this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud can again work as a resistance for the price line. At the same time, you can see that stochastic has again entered the oversold zone. Therefore, there can be once again very high probability for a massive price correction like it happened here when the price line was testing this support of 21 cents. At the same time, it just entered the oversold zone, just touched the oversold zone. Then we had a very nice reversal previously when it was testing the support of the wedge here. And you can see that stochastic was moving in the oversold zone. Then we had finally a very, very massive breakout. In fact, before that, it's when stochastic was entering that or moving inside this oversold zone. Even at that time, you can see that we had several small moves to the upside, but the price end was getting rejected by this resistance of the wedge again and again, like it happened here. We had a nice bounce, but again dropped down after the rejection by the resistance of the wedge. Then we had another bounce, got rejected. We had another bounce, and finally we broke it out. Therefore, again, there can be a probability that the price line may start another correction move to the upside to break out the resistance of this Ichimoku, the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and this resistance of 30 cents. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakouts, for these two breakouts, then we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern that was here at the top of the wedge at 50 cents. In fact, the price then rallied beyond that target up to 56.49 cents. And still a very, very massive move due, and that is a target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. That can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.